KICKASSETS. Ching. Here we come.
I nicknamed George.
Why?
My name is bum, but I knew that. George.
He was homeless, huh?
No.
Here we are. This is Broadway. Where do you go?
Do you know the savings is for the charges? For the charges,
Huh?
Moving on the cell phone.
Yeah.
Moving on the cell phone.
Yeah. It's new for me. This whole place is so fucking different now. Yeah? Oh, London drugs. London drugs. London drugs. Should I come in or stay here? Okay. Broadway Street. Broadway and Canby. Pow, pow, power wheels. See them as they go. Oh, we got your wiener. And outside we got some more stuff. Things are different here, you know. Changed a lot since I've been here a lot, but they're working on SkyTrain for this street apparently. Step by step it's going underground, so yeah, a lot of business will be happening here, that's for sure. DoorDash. Interesting. Oh well. My dad went to get a paper and London drugs. Remember that place? I certainly do. It's a nice sunny day here. It sucks coming this way, you can't zoom out. Yeah. Down Broadway here. There's no power wheels here. It's like the amount of the variety of people I've seen here today is just 10 minutes is insane. Like just all levels of people, different races, different fashion, different abilities, you name it, it's here. Oh, it's my old man. There's my old man. He's 80. He's still actually walking. I'm here. There he is. We're going for breakfast somewhere. I think it's out. 80 years old and still out walking. I said, you're 80 years old and still out walking. Yeah? Well, how much? $2.86? How many pages is that? Show everybody. Look at that. Those things used to be massive. They're smaller and skinnier now because everything's online. Even my dad's online. So, okay, that's still there. You're talking about the A&W here. Probably $15 here too. You sure? When's the last time you've been here?
I have my coffee here. The other place is full.
Oh.
Coffee, I'll come here.
What's going on here? Wasn't there like a building here before? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Interesting. Okay, A&W, huh? Well, A&W didn't know they served breakfast like this, but my dad chose it, so we'll eat here. $10 for this shit. $10 for 2 skinny eggs and bread and eggs. Like, holy shit! This is called Biden inflation. Just kidding. Just inflation.
It's a Warner Brothers breakfast.
Warner Brothers?
A Wino Brothers breakfast.
Oh, Wino Brothers. Jesus, $10. How do people afford this? Jeez, man. It's the fucking second ambulance I've seen. 30 minutes is rushing down the street. Donaires.
Small bed, $11.
$11. Wow.
$6.
It's half the price in Japan. It's probably $6 in Japan. $5-6. You gotta remember that the Canadian dollar is stronger than the yen now. So if I say 600 yen, that's $5. It's crazy. it's amazing how much more expensive it is here. Even though you have so much land mass to produce things at cheaper rates, especially for food. Japan imports most of its food, yet they can be cheap. It's just dumb. They're milking you guys, big time. Well, here we are walking down Broadway Street. A lot of construction going on here. Huh? Rent here? Wow. Yeah. Just going for a walk down Broadway Street. What?
On the running shoe.
That's okay. Time to get used to. They're just too big. So with a sore ankle, it's hard. No grip. So I feel like I'm walking bare feet.
It's a sponge.
Yeah. But because they're big, my ankle is bending. Sore ankle or broken ankle.
Wear a thicker sock.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe it's a good winter shoe.
Probably not.
Well, with thick socks. Thick socks in the summer is too high. Hola! Learn Spanish! Konnichiwa! Never seen Learn Spanish in Vancouver. First for everyone, for everything. Here we are, we're just walking from Kambi to Main Street. If we can make it. Alright, Broadway continues. A lot of bike stores on the street. Coffee, this way. Coffee, this way. Or Notary Public. Notary Public. What, you getting one of your nails done? Rip off. Everything must go. What are they building here? Huh?
I think downstairs.
Oh, maybe a station?
Probably. All the way down. Up there.
Okay, can't see much. Wow. The whole corner's gone. Broadway and Main Street. It's the major two streets meeting up here. Every city has a Main Street and every city has a Broadway, I guess. Yeah. Would you like some dim sum? And then some more? And then dim sum more? Just kidding. I don't remember. Was there like, I forgot what was on the corner here a long time ago.
Right?
What was here before?
The building.
something famous? I remember this building being here the whole time. It's a really old building.
You come up here like today.
Hmm?
I come back here about 3 days ago. This will be gone. Do everything so fast.
But I remember there was like some buildings here, famous place. I forgot.
All along has all to do with the station.
Okay. Well, at least they still got pizza for $3. Here we are. Broadway and Main. Huh? Cross? Yeah. Holy shit. That's insane. Hi. Sorry. You too. Interesting. That famous building. I wonder how old that place is. This doesn't feel the same, you know? Why is there no fucking pictures?